In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and update your profile in the My Info section. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to make sure everything in your profile is accurate and complete, so nothing holds up your access or approvals. First, start by clicking My Info. This is the hub for your personal details, like your address, emergency contacts, and other profile information. You'll usually find My Info in the main navigation or sidebar. Give the page a moment to load, and be sure you're looking at your own profile details. Once you're on that page, look for a label or banner that says Needs Review. This is your cue that something in your profile is incomplete or out of date. It might appear as a small tag next to a section or as a notice at the top of the page. If you don't see Needs Review, your information is likely up to date, but if it does appear, it's important to address it right away to avoid delays or repeated reminders. Next, click Review/Edit. This button opens the editable view of the section that requires attention. You'll be taken directly to the fields that need updates, so you won't have to hunt around. If multiple sections need attention, you may see a guided flow that takes you through them one by one. Now enter the missing details. Fill out each required field carefully. Look for markers like an asterisk indicating a required field, and follow any formatting hints shown on the screen. Use accurate, current information, and double-check spelling. For dates, follow the requested format. For addresses, include complete details, such as apartment or unit numbers if applicable. If there are drop-downs, select the option that best matches your situation rather than typing a custom entry. Before moving on, scan the page for any warnings or error messages and correct them. When everything looks good, click Continue. This moves you forward and typically confirms the updates you just made. If the system highlights anything you missed, make the corrections and click Continue again. After you proceed, look for a quick confirmation message or a return to the main My Info page. It's a good idea to glance back at the section that previously showed Needs Review to ensure the notice is gone. That's it. Simple and efficient. Keeping your My Info up to date ensures smooth communication and prevents interruptions. If you ever receive another Needs Review notice, just follow these same steps to handle it quickly. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your profile current.